Infrastructure projects are organized by the familiar 9 project types used throughout the Building CA website. Notice all transportation related projects are shown with a white dot in the center of the marker. Click on any point on the map to display information about a project. Click Transportation Programs to search transportation projects by specific funding type. Some projects receive funding from more than one source and can share a single project ID. If more than one project is mapped to a single location, this will be indicated in the pop up window. Click on the Select Feature box for a complete list of projects mapped to that location, or use the left and right arrows to view different projects. Click on View Project Information to view more detailed information about the selected project in the Data view. Click on Share Project to copy a link to that single project to your clipboard to save or share. Click on the Share icon in the upper right-hand corner of the map to share or save results containing multiple projects. For example, a search for all active transportation projects in Sacramento County. In the top left corner of the map, you'll find the search box. Use the search box to find projects using project ID number or keywords. The 5 drop down filters across the top enable searching by location, project type, project status, fiscal year, and on or off system. This indicates if the project is on or off the state highway system. Looking for projects nearby? Click the point icon to search for projects within a 1, 5, or 10-mile radius of wherever you drop the icon on the map. At the bottom center of the screen is the Data View tab, allowing you to view complete search results in a tabular format. Click on the Data View to expand the table. Click on the Export Data tab on the right to download your results. You can also highlight and export a single project if needed. Click the small bar under the label to close the tabular view. The Layers button on the top right allows you to select various base maps and boundary layers, including congressional districts. Click the Home icon to reset the map view, remove filters, and return to the starting position. We hope this video will help you become familiar with the new infrastructure project map.